In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide base for how to make a website with AI in 2026. We're going to build a complete website with the help of AI using Base44 from your first idea to a live shareable site. Start by opening your browser and heading to app.base44.com. Once you're in, you'll see options to create from scratch or explore ready-made starting points. If you already have a concept in mind, building from scratch is fast and surprisingly intuitive. Type a full prompt describing the website you want. Be specific about your audience, the purpose of the site, the pages you care about, like home, about, services, or contact, and the tone you're aiming for, such as friendly, professional, or playful. You can also mention brand colors, sample headlines, and the kinds of sections you'd like testimonials, FAQs, or a pricing table. The clearer your prompt, the closer the first draft will be to what you imagined. When you're happy with your description, send it to build your app and let Base44 generate the initial version. If you prefer a head start, click on Apps to browse existing templates. These are professionally structured sites you can customize, which is perfect when you want strong design foundations without starting from a blank page. Scroll through, preview a few options, and select the template that feels closest to your brand or use case. Remember, you can improve anything you pick. Layout, content, and visuals are all adjustable. After selecting a template, open it to refine. Look for the chatbot inside the editor. This is where the AI becomes your creative partner. Type clear instructions about what you want to change. For example, ask it to rewrite headlines to sound more energetic, update the color palette, add a hero section with a bold call to action, or insert a pricing grid with 3 tiers. You can also request layout tweaks like increasing spacing, swapping images, or reorganizing sections. Keep your messages specific, then hit send and watch the changes apply. Iterate naturally, review, ask for edits, and refine until the design and copy feel right. When your web app looks and reads the way you want, it's time to make it live. Click on Publish. Base44 will package your site and push it online so you can share the link immediately. Give everything a quick final scan before publishing to confirm your headlines, images, and key details are accurate. That's it. Go to Base44, create from a detailed prompt or a template, refine with the built-in chatbot, and publish your site. Enjoy building with AI, and I'll see you in the next one.